Good morning, everybody. All right, so today we're going to be learning a new way of writing a sound that we already know. I. Excellent. Now, we knew that we could write I as in fly high. I-G-H. However, today we're going to see how we can also write the I sound in a different way. But before we get there, let's do a bit of speed sounds. So, secret fingers. And the first word is kite. Kite. Fingers. Let's see. Oh, Ms. Letty. 3 sounds. Let's see if that's correct. K, I, t. Excellent. Kite. Well done. The next word is going to be ride. Ride. Fingers. 3 sounds. Well done. So it's r, I, d. Ride. Fantastic. The next one is going to be bike. Bike. Fingers. 3 sounds. Let's see. B, I, k. Bike. Very good. And who doesn't want to go and ride a bike now? But first we finish this, okay? All right. So we've got the I sound. And as I said, we spell it in a different way. Now, I know that you must remember that last time on Wednesday, you learned a new way of writing the sound A. And we did the split sound. So in this case, we're going to be doing the I split sound. And this is how you write it. I. Can you repeat that? Excellent. So those are 2 different ways of writing the sound. Although there's more, but we will see those later on. Okay, so if you look at this side of the card, we can see that this little boy has a very nice smile. So when you look at it, you say, nice smile. Nice smile. Nice smile. Excellent. And when you look at this side, these are the special friends. And as I was saying, it's a split I sound. I. All right. So that means that there's a vowel here, I. There would be a consonant here. And then there's another vowel, E. And this one is silent. All right. So let's see. Well done. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it up with other sounds that we've done before. And you are going to try and spot it, okay? So we're going to say all the sounds, and whenever you see the sound that we've just done today, you will point at it, all right? Here we go.